Hello everyone, how was your day today? Hope all is well in good health always. I just want to say good night. Have a good night's sleep and see you tomorrow. Bye. I'm lying down in the bed already. See. Good night. Sweet dreams. See you tomorrow. Night. Bye.